Welcome to Fleek Tactics, Week 15 updates, 5 more weeks to go. Ashley Morris did new Zareem emote face, and Rian Reng improved the map 5 and added a new map 6, which I will show to you. And there is a very good Zareem face, as you can see, really good. I really liked it. As you can see, the second face, the right one, is really wild and it has a smile, which is really cool. I like the art from Ashley. So it's playtime, and let us check out the game. Here is the map 5, and as you can see there now, the triangle is a bit more like neutralized, I guess. The land pieces are joined from the corners to the mainland, and it is looking more natural now. Whoa, what a map this is! Like four buildings in the center. This is this is really unique. And then there are bases as well in the corners, and really unique map design. I'm impressed with Ryan's map designing abilities. Definitely something that I probably can't think of. And there's another map. It is called Map Great Divide, and I think it is definitely work in progress. So yeah, this is the update. The tasks for the next weeks are pretty much the same, so I don't think I need to repeat it. And yeah, thank you for the contribution and for watching the updates. I unfortunately didn't do anything this week because I decided to take a break uh, this entire week just because I was feeling stress, a lot of stress, and having headaches just looking at the computer screen. So I decided to take a break completely from Flick Tactics for this week. Yeah, this is the week. I hope you like the updates. That's all.